Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Nokia 1054 4G. It's from ARGSO and it's a bargain. It's just £11. That's the cheapest phone I ever see. 4G HD all over 4G network, navigation, sound, zooms, front. Okay, this one's good. Wireless and wired FM. It's a basic button phone for people just to receive and call someone. Internet browser, game, English with Oxford app from original. That's quite very good. Alright, so let's do the unboxing of that. Make sure I got a sharp knife to unbox it. Okay, so right, one more tape here, one more tape here. Okay, so it's got £10 top up if you want, but it's an empty SIM, I believe. 30 days bundle. It do come with £10 top up if you want to buy, but if you can just buy fast track, you just pay £11. You don't need a top up. Okay, that's the phone. Quite nice phone. Alright, it's got torch as well, and that's the charger. I think it got no battery in it. I have to open from here. Okay. There's a 3-pin charger, cable, battery, which will go here, and a booklet, small booklet, quick guide, how to place battery, quite good. Let me put the battery quickly. I hope it will be charged. Oh no, it's not charged. You need to charge it. That's a shame. Oh no, it's charged. Okay. That's my favorite song. Music, I mean. Nokia 1. English. Okay. Auto update time select. Okay. Okay. Alright, so insert SIM. So I think it's a double. Did it take double SIM? Let me check. Oh yes guys, it's got double SIM, so it's got 2 SIM cards in it. That's quite good. So you put 1 and SIM 2, so it's a double SIM, and it's quite good actually. So it's a double SIM. It's quite nice. Okay, it's got snake game. All right, so that's good. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description. You can order from there. It's a double SIM and it's unlocked to any network. You can put any SIM card you like. I hope you like this video. If you need any questions regarding this phone, let me know in the comment and I'll try to answer them. You got torch as well. Alarm, contact. FM is the result setting. Extra. Okay, setting. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.